Ruto by the Supreme Court judges on the duties of the IEBC chairperson. The lawyers told the court that Wafula Chebukati, as the chair of IEBC, is allowed by law to announce the presidential results. Shadrach Kareria has more on this report.
The lawyers representing the IEBC commissioner, as well as those representing the president-elect William Ruto, ganged up on Friday to tackle tough questions directed to them by the 7 Supreme Court judges.
That you are answering our concern.
The lawyers Githu Muigai, Githure Kindiki, Mahat Somane, and George Murugu told the court that the IEBC chairperson Wafula Chebukati is entitled by the law to announce the final presidential results.
It is a directive, and the answer lies in the Constitution. Article 138(10) places an obligation upon the chairperson of the commission to declare the result.
The one thing we achieved is that we created independent commissions that do not function in the same way. For example, this commission, the Electoral Commission, the chairman has executive authority.
The lawyers brought to the attention of the court that the results from the 27 constituencies had already been tallied, but due to the chaos that erupted at the Bomas, those results were not announced.
That the 27 constituencies had been tallied and had undergone the verification process. He made considerations concerning security of his staff, who at that particular point in time were suffering arrests, abductions, and injuries to officials, including commissioners.
While answering the question to whether or not some voters only casted their ballot on the presidential candidate only, the commission declined.
He is expected to cast his votes in respect of all the elections. Regulation 81B then provides that rejected ballots, such as the unmarked ballots, are sealed in a tamper-proof envelope and placed in the ballot box.
The second question that Justice Ouko asked is, do you have any instances where voters walked into polling station and voted for presidential only? No, we don't have. The integrity of the ballot is very important. If someone comes into our polling station, we give him all the 6 ballot papers. He can do whatever we want with them, but he cannot go out with them.
The lawyers further answered the question of voter turnout, giving the number 64.6%.
The chairman clarified, and he said the turnout is not 65.4, it is 64.6. In fact, you will see Martin Nyaga rushing to the chairman, telling him, the person who was in charge of the cumulative of the turnout, telling him, no, that is erroneous. So the number is 64.6. I want to tell this court, there is this fascination by the petitioners on turnout. We don't use turnout to determine the presidential election. I think that is the base to start from. The reason why we give turnout is a measure of transparency and integrity to know how many people pass through the kit.
Shadrach Kareria, Look Up TV.